I'm kidding. Look, guys. So, happy Thanksgiving first and foremost, right? I'm not in New York, sadly. You know, happy Thanksgiving, mom, dad. I don't know when this is gonna get uploaded. Obviously, I'm in holiday spirit. Had to put the sweater on. But yeah, so I'm spending Thanksgiving with my brother and his girlfriend, right? I was tasked to make a few things. I will be making cornbread. Making a little cornbread. Listen. I may or may not have cheese, but look. And then I'm gonna be making a mac and cheese, and I'm gonna be making shrimp, obviously, because I'm shrimp. Listen, that title. Listen, I'm glad to have that title. Fuck it, like you make something, you master it. Fucking be happy about that shit, right? Yeah, I got my right there boiling, right? And I got my right here. Oh, and I'm making cookies.
Nope.
I'm gonna just put a bunch of shit inside some cookies. But look, so I'm gonna keep tapping, and this is gonna be a short video. Hopefully, I can make this into a short. You know, hopefully ending off with me bringing the food to them, and then we eat it, and then watch something. In reality, I'm not gonna be watching nothing with them. I'm gonna drop the food off, make my plate, go home, play some video games because it's my day off. So, catch you guys in a bit. Listen, got my one egg in, got my milk. Let's go. I'm gonna show you how to work the good. I can't do this with one hand. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I make this into what it's supposed to be. Bruh, what the fuck? All right, we back. Now, it's still falling off or whatever, right? But it's pretty much there. Y'all see the Larrys? My brother and his girl are big eaters. I think that's too much. Comment below if y'all think that's too much. I'm gonna show y'all. I might fuck around and have to make 2 pans. All right, so if you was a lucky guy or girl, right, that guessed that I made too much mac and cheese, yes. My kitchen is a mess right now. Peep. 1, 2, fucking 3.
What?
Do I give the extra to the cameraman? Does he deserve it? I kind of killed that shit too. I don't know, but that's too much. Like, I felt like I was like, I'm actually sweating over a hot stove. Like, I don't do this. Like, I do like 10 minutes. I get in and out the kitchen. That's my objective. That's what I live by. Simple meals, simple cooking. It was too much. I couldn't even show you how to process. I was panicking. But when I get to making the shrimp, I'll show y'all what I probably put together. I was supporting this you know, business, black owned business, whatever. So I had bought these seasonings. They took a while to get here. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of disappointed. But they did arrive, and they are pretty good. I'll put a link in the description if you guys did want to see them. And then yeah, I'm not making cookies because they don't even appreciate when I cook for them. Every time I go up there, my food is still there. Listen, does that mean my food tastes bad? Is that what that means? Does my food taste bad if they like don't finish it? But I always get compliments. Is it to like not hurt my feelings? Comment below if you think I cook good. And we're back. Look, so what I'm about to do real quick, right? Cause I got the stuff out the oven, right? Then I'm gonna start working on my shrimp, which I have a fucking, you know, the mac and cheese. Don't play. And then I got the, you know, this right here. And then, you know, I gotta work on the, look, too fucking much. Too much. It's literally too much. I made a mistake. Oh, hey, listen. They special people, so I used my Sargenti. They owe me for that. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let y'all know how it comes out or whatever. I'm gonna bring it upstairs. And then, yeah. All right, so I'm back. I brought the stuff upstairs. I brought the mac and cheese and the cornbread and stuff upstairs. I put the other mac and cheese in the oven. I want to show y'all how hot it is in my house. Why the fuck is it 80? Next, I'm gonna make this shrimp. Call it a fucking day. So catch y'all when I figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do with this. And it's done. Thanksgiving special, upload it tomorrow, maybe? Who the fuck knows? So, yeah. I'm doing this because my baby sister, I'm I'm gonna be shooting some videos like this, some simple recipes or like smaller videos. So that's the goal. So I have like a shouts to Green Man. I got a new series sponsored by my boy Green Man. Well, it's Green D Man, but he came up with the name Gross Groceries, right? So in this series that I will be doing, it's gonna be hopefully YouTube shorts. Something I just put together real quick, right? So the idea, right? I had the idea, but he came up with the name, right? Well, I don't know if it was him. I don't know if it was me. I don't know if it was Scrummy. Somebody did, but I know Green came up with the name. And he came up with the healthy donation to get it started. You get me? So, things like, okay, so I feel like I'm a normal eater. You know, I don't mix anything that's like kind of crazy. Like, yo, you really fucking do that? No, I don't do no shit like that. I don't think I do. I feel like I eat kind of normal compared to a lot of people. So, like, I was getting random shit in my chat on twitch.tv/Kenn090. I was getting random shit like people like Scrummy likes to fucking eat barbecue sauce and his ramen. That's like, to me, that's strange. I don't know. Maybe that's something that you like. But if you guys actually do something like that and they thought it was weird, let me know in the comments and I'll try it out for the video. And obviously, I would shout you out. I know, listen, I'm small, but it is what it is. But you get the idea. The videos would be centered around you guys, y'all weird combinations of foods. Let me know what you guys come up with. And hear this. It's time. It's time. All right, guys. So last but not least, right? We have going in. I'm gonna use up all the sauce, right? Fuck it, right? So they could like, you know, so we can, not they, but so we can do things like put it over rice. I know my brother's making some jasmine rice, some, you know, stuff like that upstairs. Hey, don't ask. I got hungry. Slurry going in. Let this thicken up. And just like that, you know, my portion of the meals are done. I was going to do cookies, but they don't appreciate my cookies. Listen, back early, you heard what I said. So I don't think they're going to watch this video anyway because I don't think they watch my videos. Comment if y'all watch my videos. If y'all watch my videos, I'm going to see you comment. Michael, Ali, and shouts to my mentor, Nem. This is good. Catch you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Hanukkah to some. I'll catch you guys. Listen, y'all don't pay my bills. Some of y'all, if y'all subscribe to me on twitch.tv, y'all do. But, for the most part, mind your manners. I got a tree up and shit. Look at this shit. They trying to one-up me. They got money. Oh, wait. Somebody got some explaining to do. As you can tell, we're back, right? Got my food. Hold on, let me show y'all. How rude would that be? You get me? Big plate. I'm not gonna eat all of this though, but it's nice to have. You know what time it is. You can get in there. I'm gonna do pictures. You know, I took the pictures upstairs though, but this is all the stuff right here. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. You guys are dope. You know, I made the beans like my dad. Kind of getting scared. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for stopping by. All that good stuff. I just gotta win an Apex. 1800 damage. Shots to Deshaun. Fuck Wraith. Pulled up in a Wraith, don't skate. Don't talk to me today, it's late. Let me catch y'all next time though.